Step into the heart of modernity with this stunning kitchen adorned in chic matte black cabinets boasting integrated handles that exude sophistication. Complemented by pristine white quartz countertops, this space is a testament to refined taste and contemporary design. The sleek stainless steel appliances seamlessly blend in, adding a touch of elegance to the overall aesthetic. And let's not forget the eye-catching geometric tile backsplash, adding depth and character to the room. It's the perfect fusion of style and functionality, creating an inviting atmosphere for culinary adventures and gatherings alike. Step into the realm of eclectic charm with this kitchen design that defies convention and embraces diversity. Featuring black cabinets adorned with a captivating mix of materials including wood, metal, and glass, this space is a celebration of individuality and creativity. Each cabinet tells its own story, adding layers of texture and character to the room. Paired with a variety of countertop materials, from sleek quartz to rustic butcher block, this kitchen is a visual feast that never fails to intrigue and delight. It's a space where every element has been carefully curated to create a harmonious yet eclectic ambience that's as unique as you are. Step into the realm of simplicity and sophistication with this minimalist kitchen design, showcasing sleek black cabinets adorned with understated hardware that embodies refined elegance. Paired with lightwood countertops, this space exudes a sense of warmth and serenity amidst its clean lines. The addition of open shelving enhances the airy feel, while the white walls provide a canvas for the minimalist aesthetic to shine. It's a harmonious blend of form and function, where every element has been carefully curated to create a serene sanctuary for culinary inspiration and everyday living. Step into the timeless allure of mid-century modern design with this captivating kitchen, featuring black cabinets adorned with sleek flat-panel doors and matte black hardware that exude understated elegance and sophistication. Paired with rich walnut countertops, this space evokes a sense of warmth and nostalgia reminiscent of the iconic designs of the 1950s and 60s. The colorful tiled backsplash adds a playful touch, infusing the room with personality and charm while giving a modern twist to the retro-inspired aesthetic. It's a perfect blend of classic design elements and contemporary sensibilities, creating a space that's both stylish and inviting for culinary adventures and gatherings alike. Step into the heart of rustic elegance with this modern farmhouse kitchen design, where black cabinets boasting beadboard paneling and antique brass hardware steal the show, exuding a timeless charm with a contemporary twist. Paired effortlessly with butcher block countertops, this space radiates warmth and character, inviting you to gather around for hearty meals and lively conversations. The farmhouse sink adds a touch of authenticity, while the combination of materials creates a perfect balance between rustic charm and modern sophistication. It's a space where comfort meets style, creating a cozy retreat that's perfect for creating cherished memories with family and friends. Step into sheer opulence with this luxurious kitchen design, boasting glossy black cabinets adorned with lavish gold hardware that exudes sophistication and grandeur. Paired with exquisite marble countertops, this space radiates elegance and refinement. The pièce de résistance? A statement pendant light fixture that adds a touch of glamour, illuminating the culinary masterpiece below. And let's not forget the marble slab backsplash, a striking focal point that elevates the ambience to new heights of extravagance. It's a culinary haven fit for royalty, where every moment feels like a decadent indulgence in style and luxury. Step into the epitome of elegance and style with this chic kitchen design, boasting black cabinets adorned with glass front doors that exude sophistication and charm. Enhanced by luxurious brass accents, this space radiates opulence with a modern edge. The timeless allure of marble countertops adds a touch of refinement, while the classic subway tile backsplash brings a hint of nostalgia into the mix. It's a harmonious fusion of timeless elegance and contemporary flair, creating a culinary oasis that's as functional as it is fashionable. Step into the realm of contemporary sophistication with this sleek kitchen design, boasting matte black cabinets illuminated by integrated LED lighting for a touch of modern flair. Enhanced by brushed stainless steel hardware, these cabinets exude an understated elegance that's both timeless and chic. Paired effortlessly with pristine white quartz countertops, this space exudes a sense of purity and refinement. The colorful mosaic tile backsplash adds a pop of personality, injecting vibrancy and energy into the sleek, monochromatic palette. It's a harmonious fusion of style and functionality, creating a space that's perfect for both culinary adventures and entertaining guests in style. Step into the breezy charm of coastal living with this enchanting kitchen design, featuring black cabinets adorned with rattan inserts that evoke the tranquility of seaside retreats. Enhanced by brass hardware, these cabinets exude a timeless elegance with a touch of rustic charm. Paired harmoniously with white marble countertops, the space exudes a sense of luxury and sophistication, reminiscent of crashing waves against pristine shores. The blue tile backsplash adds a pop of coastal-inspired color, infusing the room with a refreshing and airy ambience. It's a perfect blend of relaxed charm and timeless elegance, creating a coastal oasis right in the heart of your home. Step into the urban chic vibe of this industrial-inspired kitchen, where distressed black cabinets with exposed hardware steal the spotlight, exuding rugged charm and character. Paired effortlessly with sleek concrete countertops, this space epitomizes contemporary cool. The subway tile backsplashes add a touch of nostalgia, while vintage pendant lights inject a hint of retro flair, tying the whole look together with effortless style. It's a trendy yet timeless fusion of rugged industrial elements and modern sophistication, creating a space that's perfect for culinary creations and casual gatherings alike.